Hey, it's Tony talking CarBiz. Today I've got a brand new 2021 Toyota 4RUNNER Trail Edition. Let's dive in and check this bad boy out. Okay, so this one here, we're in late June 2021, and of course it's been really difficult to get 4RUNNERs, new 4RUNNERs. The story behind this one is it is a manufacturer demo. So we've got a Toyota rep that's going to come pick this one up later today, and they'll drive it for a while, and then it'll go out to the dealers and be sold as a used 4RUNNER. But I wanted to show you this one because it is the special Venture Edition. Sorry about that. And the extras that are on this one really make it pop. So your Venture Edition does have some TRD features on it, and then this one they added some extra TRD features and some extra accessories. So Barcelona red is the color on this one. Of course, that's a classic Toyota color. And then the Venture Edition has some black, gloss black accents. So let's dive in and take a look and see what it's all about. So up front on the Venture, we do on the hood here have the hood scoop, the faux hood scoop, which I think really adds to the sporty style of it. It's not functional, it doesn't go into the engine, but it really sets it apart from the other trims and gives it an aggressive look. Take a look at our headlight package up front, so you can see that we've got the projector style headlights, really a nice bold headlight. And then this one does have the LED fog lights, the rectangular style with the faux air vents here. Again, a lot of these things are not so functional. They're more about the style and the look. And then there are some things that are really functional. So black badging on the Toyota badging. Here's our safety sense panel and sensors right behind here. So our dynamic radar cruise control. We do have some chrome trim across the front as well. Up in the windshield on this one, with the safety sense, there's sensors right there in the windshield. And then you can see the Yakima Mega Warrior rack up top. That's part of the Venture Edition package. And then you do have a matte black finish on the lower part of the bumper and the mesh grille there. And then down underneath on the Venture Edition, you pick up the TRD heavy-duty aluminum skid plate to add to the style, and I think that looks great with the Barcelona red. Here's a quick look at your suspension from up underneath here as well. And there's a tow hook up front and a tie-down hook. But what do you think of the front of this one? I really like the style on it. It's just a really great looking off-road vehicle. Now the folks that ordered this or built this one out added the TRD wheels. So they're the black, matte black finish on the wheels with the red TRD badging. This is a 17-inch cast aluminum wheel with disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. And it's riding on a P265/70R17 all-season tire. So this is going to be a good tire on and off-road. The vast majority of these are either driven on-road the majority of the time, and then sometimes off-road, but certainly not a heavy-duty off-road setup. Notice the mud guards are integrated right into the fender as well, and they wrap underneath here. So they're not just attached right to the fender, they actually are integrated into the over-the-wheel lip moldings. Now on the rocker panels here, this one has the Predator side steps, and those are an extra cost side step. Let me know in the comments if you like those. I don't particularly care for this style of a side step. I wish that the steps weren't on there. I'd love to have just the extra bar to protect the body when doing some light off-road. The problem I have with these steps versus other running boards, number one, I'm not a big fan of running boards for off-road driving anyway, but the problem with these ones is when you get out or go to get in, you've got to fish for where to put your foot. So it's not intuitive where to put it because it's not long enough. And I personally have gotten out of these, and as I get out, if you miss the step, guess what that does to your shin? And so I'm not a big fan of the Predators. I like the look of them, but I don't think that would be something I would go for. Now I am going to do a separate video on the interior of this one, so this video is all about the exterior. We've got gloss black mirror caps, LED turn signals. Of course, these are folding mirrors. They're also breakaway mirrors, so you can fold them in when doing your off-road driving. We've got the gloss black door handles, part of the Venture Edition package, and then a matte black finish all the way around the windows, with of course privacy glass on the windows. Here's that Yakima Mega Warrior cargo basket, and that can be removed and taken off if you don't need it. And then of course the factory moonroof on this one, that's an extra charge of $630. So really nice features. You're looking at an extra cost for the moonroof, extra cost for the Predator running boards. Let me see how much those are. Yeah, those are running $649. And then this one does have the TRD wheels. Love those wheels. Would definitely choose those wheels on this particular vehicle. Again, privacy glass across the back windows. And then as we swing around to the back, notice we do have factory mud guards on this. And I love the big bold rear on the 4Runner. Now, blacked out badging for the 4Runner badging, the Toyota badge, and then your upper spoiler here is also blacked out. So it's a really nice combination of red and black. Definitely my favorite color combination on a 4Runner. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like it, or what color you like the best. There is an LED brake light here, and then they hide the washer wiper up underneath here, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Rear window defrost. This rear window is a power window, so it folds down. There's a switch up front. So with the sunroof and the windows down and the back window, get a lot of nice air through there. Almost feels like a convertible. We do have our backup camera right here. The tailgate on this is not power operated, so it just pops open like that. Again, we'll dive in and I'll show you all the interior stuff, but I wanted to just show you the applique or the bumper cover here. And this is a nice wide bumper, so it's easy to get in and out. Also, you can sit down and change out your work boots or your hiking boots or your snow boots or what have you, snow ski boots. Now we do have a trailer towing package, is standard. Full-size spare tire up underneath. Now that's not the TRD wheel, but it is a full-size spare tire. And then we also have our wiring here for 7-pin and 4-pin. So it's all pre-wired. A little bit of a tow hook or a tie-down hook here in the back as well. Take a look up underneath. Don't know how much of the suspension you can see there, but it's an interesting look. So again, be sure to watch the interior video on this one. I'm going to go ahead and swing up front, and we'll pop the hood. We'll take a look at the engine. What do you think? Is this the right color combination for you? Super hard to find. Will be available in 2022, and then we're guessing 2023 will have an all-new look potentially for the 4Runner. Let's go ahead and pop that hood and take a look at the engine. Okay, so under the hood, there's only one engine available on the 4Runner for 2021, and this is the tried and true bulletproof Toyota 4-liter V6 engine. Really a great engine, been around a lot of years, but the quality of this engine and the durability really is second to none. So 270 horsepower, 278 foot-pounds of torque, connected to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Part-time 4-wheel drive, multi-terrain select on the Venture Edition. Combined fuel economy is 17 miles per gallon, city and highway. The engine and transmission, they have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And then the 4Runner does come with Toyota Care, so that's going to cover your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, and your tire rotations, covered by Toyota for the first 2 years, 25,000 miles. That really will save you hundreds of dollars for sure in maintenance for the first 2 years. And then after that, you're on your own as far as maintenance, but you do have a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty, so that's going to cover manufacturer defect, anything like that, that is essentially the fault of Toyota. So it's a really good package and a really high quality, highly recommended power plant on the 4Runner for 2021. So there you go. That's our 2021 Toyota 4Runner Venture Edition here in June of 2021. Barcelona red with the black accents, TRD wheels, TRD skid plate, Yakima Mega Warrior cargo rack up front, Predator step side rails, all season floor mats. Be sure and watch video number 2. I'll give you an overview of the interior, but definitely a classic Toyota color combination. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Turn on notifications. Really appreciate it. This is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.